This is the Maracas job. It's built on a corner. It's site specific, so it's been designed to suit this site and the client's requirements. It's almost finished, but we'll have a quick look through. We've used a bit of stacked stone on the front, travertine on the walls. The big thing about this property is obviously the outside living area. The swimming pool's just about finished, putting the final coats on there. And the kitchen is quite amazing in this property. Not bad for a kid home, but yeah, it's been built to a very, very high standard. And you can see the combination of different materials really does kind of make this sort of style stand out. We'll have a look upstairs. So it's all about the voids and the big open spans and the light on this design. You've got fixed glazed windows. This is the master bedroom here. It's got its own little private balcony. Ensuite's there. Little study nook on this corner. Big wide hallways, upstairs living area, like a little rumpus room. Curved walls. There's another bedroom, bathroom, another bedroom, and another bedroom with its own private balcony, ensuite. So it's really nice, 2.5 metre high ceilings, and yeah, it's a really nice little house. You can see out here, got Mount Coolum over here. It's about 2 minutes to the beach, and it's it's a style of house that really does kind of suit the area. It's got really a lot of nice features going on, and that combination of different materials really does make the style stand out.